Hello friends, I'm Dr. Riddhi Paranjpur. Today I'm going to answer one of your most frequently asked questions. Why do I have bad breath? Let me tell you, 50% of our population has bad breath. It can be harmful or harmless or very serious, depending on what are the causes. The first and the most important cause of bad breath is the improper oral hygiene. You don't brush your teeth twice a day, leading to bad breath in the morning because you haven't brushed your teeth at night. This is very common. Why does bad breath happen then? We have oral microflora in our mouth. These bacteria in our mouth take in the food particles that are left in the mouth at night and secrete out volatile sulfur compounds. These sulfur compounds give you the bad breath. So now you knew the cause of bad breath. So let me tell you, that is not the only reason for your bad breath. If you have serious ailments like diabetes, liver disease or sinus diseases, then also, or salivary gland diseases for that matter, these can give you bad breath too because of the medications that you are taking. But these all only give you bad breath after numerous years of medications, not after taking 2 or 3 medications for the same. The third reason, you can have your non-veg, your ginger, your garlic, these give you bad breath and that's very normal. If you have constipation or irregular bowel movements, that can give you bad breath. The last reason for bad breath will be dentures. Old patients who use dentures for years together but forget to wash their dentures every day will lead to bad breath. What are the remedies? Well, the first and the foremost remedies is good oral hygiene. If you have good oral hygiene, then you will have the cure for bad breath. You should brush twice, do mouth washing, do flossing. Mouthwashes kill these microflora which are giving out the sulfur compounds and neutralize the bad breath that is already in your mouth. That is the reason why you feel the freshness in your mouth once you use a mouthwash. Tongue scraping reduces 70% of your bad breath. Once you're gargling, you should go back to your tongue. If you see brownish or whitish scrapings on your tongue, remove those. Gargle neatly so that the backside of your tongue also has water when it is gargled out. So you should flush out all your water. The second thing, if you don't have a good oral hygiene, that is, if you have calculus, tartar or even bleeding gums for that matter, then you should go to a dentist, do your proper scalings, do your treatments for bleeding gums. These will help you in reducing your bad breath. If you are having non-veg and garlic and ginger, what will you do then? A homemade remedy is take carom seeds, take clove and put it in the mixer. Grind it to a powder, add water in it and just gargle with this. 2 to 3 gargles with just a simple remedy will help you avoid all the bad breaths and you can go for your meetings even after eating the non-veg. Last is your dentures. You have to scrub and brush your dentures just the way you are brushing your teeth when you had them. You don't have to be lethargic about brushing your dentures. There are a lot of tablets that you get. Ask your dentist to give you those. They will prescribe you tablets that can be put into the water and you don't need to brush your dentures after it. But you have to put it in water which is fresh and clean. The last is the gums and candies. You get sugar-free gums and candies that you can chew. You get sprays that can be put directly in your mouth which avoid the bad breath. I hope now you know the answer for your bad breath and would have recognized what may be the reason for your bad breath. But the best way to diagnose your bad breath is to go to a dentist and ask him for the reasons why. Do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button. Bye.